Just, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all of this. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really lovely, fantastic day. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel because instead of one unboxing, we're going to be doing two. This looks like four, but you guys know what I mean. And I'm pretty excited because they happen to be like two brand new subscription boxes to this channel, something we haven't seen before on here. And both of these subscriptions have come from Beauteque, which is a K-beauty subscription brand. I was really excited to see that Beauteque Monthly sent these boxes my way. This isn't sponsored or anything, that just appeared in my PO box one day and I was super excited about it. A few of you guys have been asking to do some like K-beauty unboxings and also like mass subscription unboxings, and today we get to merge the two together. So Beauteque Monthly offers two different subscriptions. They have the beauty box and then they have the Mask Maven. So in the Mask Maven you're supposed to get like 9 different types of masks in each box, and I think they said that plans start at $13 for that box. And then we have the beauty box. You're supposed to get 6, I forgot what numbers were, 6 full-size products in that box, and that plan starts at $22 a month. And these are all supposed to be from K-beauty brands, which is exciting to me because that's something I really don't like delve into very much. I really don't know too much about K-beauty, so I'm very excited to get to experiment with some of these products. Oh, sure. Alright, so first up here we have a very beautiful, sparkly little envelope. Very, very cute. And I do believe this is the Mask Maven package because the other one is in a box. So I'm guessing that that is the beauty box. Both of these items came in this like adorable little box, and on the top of it, it's got a cute little dinosaur. When I move the box like that, it kind of looks like he's roaring. Alright, enough about the cute little dinosaur sticker. Let's go ahead and get on into this envelope right here. I personally do have quite a collection of masks. They're right up there on the shelf. I'll just go ahead and show you guys. See all those little guys up there just lined up so nicely, waiting to be used? Those are little masks that I have unfortunately not been able to use yet. Also, right next to it is a pile of, well, empties, but now it's just garbage because it's just been sitting there for so long. Yeah, so I have a lot of masks that I still need to test out. Some of them I don't even know if they're not yet expired. Me trying to figure out if that sentence made any sense. I get them in subscription boxes and things like that, and you know, you're only supposed to do like a mask a week or something, but I compile them and compile them, so some of them have been up there for a good long time. So let's go ahead and see what comes in this variety of masks. Oh, okay, so apparently they are themed. This is a deep detox month. It says, hey beautiful, allowing yourself to relax and reset is so important for your overall health, especially when it comes to your skin. This month we're diving into a total detox with a box full of purifying ingredients like charcoal, pomegranate, volcanic ash. Inside here we have all of the masks, but I don't want to ruin any surprises, so let's go ahead and pull out the little stack here. Oh, how cute! It comes in a little sheer purple drawstring bag, very adorable. And then we have a big old honkin' stack of masks. So the very first thing we see is pomegranate, like they said. This is the Daily Fresh Garden Mask Sheet pomegranate for elasticity, smoothing, and vitality. Next up here we have an M-Inf. This is supposed to be a high moisturizing sheet mask that contains elastic liposome, a skin-friendly natural moisturizing factor. This one is also very gushy on the inside, so I'm guessing there is actual like cream on the mask instead of, just made a real weird sound, instead of like that kind of serum-y type stuff that you typically see on masks. Oh look, this one describes my life. This is the Stayed Up Late mask because I have a garbage sleeping schedule and I never actually get any sleep. Oh look, they gave her a name. It's Alice. So this is definitely perfect for me. Gonna give that one a try for sure. Next up here we have a volcanic ash wow, that's really hard to say. Volcanic ash sheet mask. And as you can see here, it's got little volcanoes on it. That's pretty adorable. Also, we have a My Real Skin charcoal mask, which I'm guessing has charcoal in it. Oh, really? You think so? I wonder what could have possibly led you to that conclusion. Then we have two masks that look like they came from the same brand. This one is a deep purifying black O2 bubble mask. Ooh, bubble mask. Which comes in volcanic and charcoal, so they're very much sticking with the theme of purifying. The bubble masks though, I'm a little bit nervous curious about. They look fun and fizzy, but I also think it's gonna tickle the bejesus out of my face. The next one is called I'm Sorry for My Skin. Just I'm sorry for all of this. But this is supposed to be a black mud mask for tightening. And then the very last mask that came in here is another charcoal mask. So they definitely stick to the theme. Lots of charcoal, volcanic ash, and pomegranate. And that is a pretty nice stack of masks for $13. I'm not really sure about shipping costs. I will look into that for you guys. I feel like masks are pretty expensive though. Like when you go to Sephora, aren't they like $5 a piece or something, which is a lot of money. But I'm pretty excited to add those to my little squirrel hoard up there. Hopefully I will get around to testing all of them out. Alrighty guys, next up here, we're going to be moving into the BB by Beauteque. So this is the beauty box. I really like the packaging that it came in. It's nice and like sturdy cardboard and pink. It has cute little details on the top. So let's go ahead and bust on into here. Alright, so the Mask Maven and the beauty box apparently share a theme, so it's deep detox as well inside of the box. It comes with a little sticker on it that says, be your best self. But the first thing we have in here is actually a makeup product. So this is by Beauteque. This is a Royal Luminant Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade grayish brown. So this is a dual-ended little eyebrow pencil-y thingy here. We got the standard spoolie on this side and then kind of like the chiseled looking pencil. And wow, you guys, they are not kidding. They are spot on with that shade name. It is definitely a grayish brown. It did go on a little bit hard, not exactly creamy and smooth, but my guess is that the brows are supposed to look a little bit more natural. I feel like K-beauty and that kind of stuff is just a little bit more on the natural side and less like sharpied on like my comic book villain eyebrows. I feel like it's still dark enough to go with my hair though. My hair is actually kind of like a grayish brown anyway. I used to work with children in an after school program and they used to ask me when we're outside playing like on the swing set, why is your hair gray? Because sometimes when the sun hits it, it does look a little bit gray. And not gonna lie, I'm 26 years old, but I've already pulled out of several gray hairs. All right, next up in the little box here, we have it's one of these sponges. This is I know I'm gonna say it wrong, konjac sponge. It is supposed to be made out of 100% natural material and suitable for the whole family. So some exfoliation is always nice. Next up in here, we have a box that got a little bit concave along the way, but this is a charcoal design nose pore strip. I have heard before that these aren't exactly the best thing to use for your skin, but I mean, I'm not 100% sure about that. Let me know down below in the comments, like, are these safe to use or are they kind of like too abrasive on the actual skin? I do, however, think they're super fun. It's very satisfying to just like peel that off your face. I don't know why. Next up in here, we have yet another charcoal thingy-mabob. This is a charcoal facial cleansing wipe, which is supposed to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. So we got some makeup remover wipes, which is fantastic for me. Continuing on the charcoal I really hope that wasn't in a glass bottle or anything. It made a pretty good thud. Oh my gosh, stay in my hand. Okay, so next up here we have something from Farmstay. This is a charcoal pure cleansing foam, and what I'm noticing is this little design and this little design look like exactly alike. But these are completely different brands. Is that what charcoal looks like? Do I just not know what charcoal looks like? Anywho, let's go ahead and see what the bottle looks like. Hopefully it's not smashed to bits. Oh no, okay, we're fine. So it was just in a little squeezy tube here with pretty much the same exact design as the box on it. It does come nicely safety sealed. I'll give it a little sniff here just to see what it smells like. How did I do it twice? It really doesn't have too much of a scent. It smells like a pretty standard cleanser. And then last but not least, what I'm personally most excited for is this carbonated bubble charcoal clay mask with a very fancy looking lady on it. This packaging is really cute. This is from Urban City. Oh, there's a tiny spoon in here. But I'm really happy that the packaging also has this like fancy looking lady on the top of it. I like her style. This is definitely a decent sized product, but it does feel pretty light for how big it is. Like the lid of it feels heavier than anything. Ooh, it looks like a muck monster. Oh my goodness. So this has a pretty standard like mask smell to me, but inside it looks like jiggly gray oobleck or something. It's really kind of different, but it also looks like it would be really fun to just smear all over your face and let it bubble up. Again, I'm a little bit nervous that it's going to tickle a lot. I'm very, very sensitive to tickling, so I will see how all of these bubbly type masks go. Alrighty guys, so that was everything that came in both of the Beauteque monthly subscription boxes, the Mask Maven and the Beauty Box. These are obviously very heavily skincare oriented, which isn't exactly my favorite when I'm looking for a subscription box. I like more of the like makeup heavy boxes, but I know a lot of K-beauty is very, very focused on skincare, which is a good thing to do because your skin is super important. This is your only face, you're just gonna get one. It is very important to take care of it, so if you are interested in K-beauty and skincare and that kind of stuff, you might enjoy this box. Let me know what you guys think about this box down below in the comments. I'm definitely interested to hear y'all's opinions, but that is all I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!